Hi, welcome back. My name is Sherry. In this video, we will learn some copying and pasting techniques in Excel. I would love to teach you some copying and pasting techniques in Excel. But first thing first, I want to teach you some moving techniques. I want you to select an area by holding down the left click of your mouse. Make sure not to release it yet, then move it over a selected area you wish to move, like this. See? Simple, right? After you have selected the area, most times when you are using Excel, your mouse point is a big plus sign. But put the mouse pointer anywhere on the edge of the selected area, you will notice your mouse pointer becomes a four-headed arrow. When you have that four-headed arrow, you can just hold the right click button on the mouse and drag anywhere on the worksheet, and the whole area moves together with it. Well, let's try it out. See? Then I just drag anywhere on the worksheet. Let's ignore that. You see, the whole area moves with it. That is just simple, right? Let me just undo that, Ctrl+Z. You see, now that you already know some moving techniques, let's learn some basic copying techniques in Excel. Try getting the four-headed arrow you did earlier. This four-headed arrow you did earlier. After that, hold down the Ctrl key on the keyboard. You hold down the Ctrl key on the keyboard. You notice the four-headed arrow turns to a regular arrow with a little plus sign beside it. When you get that little plus sign, keep holding down the Ctrl key and drag the worksheet down. Let's drag the worksheet down. Let go of the mouse first before letting go of the keyboard. Let's ignore that. You see, I just copied it. Wow, that's interesting, right? Yeah, that is just duplicate. Just duplicate it. Well, let's leave that there. Well, if I don't want to do that, I could easily use the regular old copy and paste. Ctrl+C to copy. Just select an area. Ctrl+C to copy. You see, it is already copied. Then I'll select another area and Ctrl+V to view. See, right? That's good. Let me teach you some techniques again. If you come to the Home tab, in the clipboard section, you notice this paste button. If you click it, you have different pasting options to paste a copied file. You see, we have a copied file already. It is still in the clipboard, so I can paste it here. If I select an area, it's copied. Then I come here and select a pasting option. You can easily select any pasting option to preview how it will look like. I promise you'll find some amazing pasting techniques there. Let's try this transpose. I always like so. You can see what is in the row is now in the column. What is in the column is now in the rows. Wow, amazing, right? That's cool. So these are really some great and amazing feature of using the clipboard, and hopefully you will save you a little bit of time on Excel. Thank you. See you in the next movie. Thanks for watching.